What's up everybody, welcome back to my kitchen where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to put to the test seafood gadgets. Let's see what I got. For the first gadget I got here lobster shredder for the claw or the tail. You see the blade in here, so that way you can put it in and cut it open so easily. I guess that's what they advertise. Hopefully it actually is easy. Also it's a breaker right here for the claw or other things like crabs and stuff like that. Oh wow, no way, they actually come off too for easy cleaning and washing. What an awesome design. Okay guys, there goes nothing. I guess I penetrated too. Wow, that actually was a lot easier than I thought. And then we keep going and cutting it, so that way you don't have to prep the lobster. I guess you could do this before you boil them, but I don't see the difference if you do it after either. As you can see, it cut it really well. Oh, I cut through some meat as well. Let's see if it pops out easily. Some of that meat stuck. That's why a lot of times you do it before you cook it, so that way the meat doesn't get stuck. But on the picture they were showing it, it's already cooked. Maybe it just looks better. But anyways, as you can see, it does work. Now you can just spoon it, easy to take it out. By the way guys, this is a Caribbean lobster. So let's try to do this again, but to non-cook one. Okay, goes in pretty good, then cut it. Okay, it's cutting it. Just gotta keep going. There you go. Let me show you from this angle. So I guess it's easiest to take it out a little bit and push it in again. There you go. Very nice and clean. I bet this is much easier than with some regular scissors. But yeah, it's best if you open it first, you see, and then take the meat out and then you cook it. So that way it won't even get stick. And it's so easy to steam lobster. It will be cooked in just like 10-15 minutes, really fast. So really nice gadget, thumbs up for me. For the next gadget I got here shrimp deveiner and peeler. So there's a shrimp like that. If you buy, there is a vein inside of them. So a lot of times you can use one of these gadgets to clean them out. Simple instruction right here. So let's see how it works. Wow, this is going to slide in right in all the way. Oh, it came out a little bit. Wow, no way. And then you just cut it. Okay, that was the first time. And you know what, I missed it a little bit. So let me try this again. But look how easy it is to take it off, all that peel. But I think I missed the vein a little bit to the side. Let's try another one. So you open it a little bit. Look at the scissors. So you want to go right in it like that, and right in the middle. Hopefully you guys can see. Chop it in half, maybe even go all the way if you want to. Usually they stop from here. Okay, and you see there is a vein, this black right here. So you take that out. And as you can see, it's easy to remove the peel as well. Very nice. And then you can clean this out as well. Push it through. Oh yeah, look at that piece came out. So yeah, definitely this gadget works really nicely. Let me show you from this angle, hopefully you guys can see better. So you put it through, you see there's a vein right in the middle right here. So you put it through right in the vein, and then you can just cut it or push it all the way. Then you remove the shell very easily. Something like that, makes sense, right? Let me do another one. I noticed the best way to do it is just grab it, push it through, and kind of push it all the way through, and then cut it, and then that way it works the best. Clean out all that stuff. One more, so that way you guys can see it from this angle. Push it through all the way. And right in the middle now. Boom. With one chop. I'll bring this back, and then easy to peel it. Because now nothing holds it. So it almost falls off by itself. And usually people leave this last one or tail will fall off. You want to leave it in there so that way you grab it. This one was pretty much clean, but some of them much dirtier than the other ones. This gadget definitely thumbs up for me. For the next gadget, I got here another shrimp cleaner. You put it through, right under that skin, and then you press it open. And it should pull up so easily that it comes off. Boom. And as you can see, kinda cleaned it off the vein, but not all the way. Let's try it one more time. This one is kinda goes flat. I know, I kinda like scissors a bit more, but this gadget works as good too. Depends what you prefer. Then you pop it open and it comes off. It's easier to peel it, that's for sure. And guess what? It did remove all that stuff inside of it too. Or you can help it. You put it through. And then you press it. Half of it will come off. And then you just push it out. You know what? It's almost a little bit faster than the scissors, actually. I kind of like this one more than the scissors, but scissors are pretty good too. And I have one more shrimp peeler. Let's see what this one does. You know what? Let's try it on our already cooked ones first, and then we're going to do it on non-cooked ones. Push it all the way through. There you go. Oh, missed one. And then you just cut it. And boom. Easy to clean it. You know what? This is pretty good tool to actually shell the shrimp if you cook your shrimp in a shell. You see, this is why you want to clean that shrimp before you cook it. You see, you have that stuff in there. So that's a good example. Put it through, or even easier. One more. Push it through, and then cut it. Boom. And you see how it cut it and cleaned it, all that black stuff from there. So very, very nice. You know what? All these cleaners and cutters, deshellers, working actually pretty good. So you just have to choose the one you like the most and go with that. Look at it, how well it cleaned. So I like this tool as well, makes it really easy too. For the next gadget, I got here a whole set for the crab opener things. So let's say legs like that. Let's open one up. And how do you open that? A lot of times it's so hard and annoying and messy. Well, guess what? This side here, instead of having those clamps, it's not a good idea. Usually restaurants don't even give you this gadget. But look how easy it is when you use this gadget. You open it up and guess what? Flip it open. This one turned out pretty good. Depends how fresh is your crab, and you can take it out all this meat easily. Of course you could break it, but a lot of times you see what happens. The best things when you break it in half and the whole thing comes out. But more than half, it doesn't work like that. So this is why this gadget is so nice. That way you're not going to waste any crab. Look at that, take all out, rest is empty. You know what, this is very useful gadget. Every restaurant that sell crab should give you one of those things. But what happens when you're trying to eat king crab like that? This is very expensive stuff, but so delicious. It is really hard to break it in half. Plus, look at those spikes. Guess what? I have a gadget for that too. Boom, now you can hold it and it comes in two. So let's try to break it. Hold it like that and break it. Oh my gosh. Look at that deliciousness. You know what, king crab is my favorite. Of course, you can eat half of it, but then what do? You know what? Let's put to the test this gadget. This tool does everything as well. So you just go like that and cut it through all the way. And that way you can completely remove king crab. And look at that. That is so awesome and delicious. I can't wait to eat this. This is amazing. Look at that. This is so good. Again, it's kind of hard to open it, but with this gadget, the smaller pieces is easier, but it stabs you really good. But look at that piece. Easy to clean it. I love king crab. It's the best. Again, let's grab another leg. Break it. There you go. Ah, this one broke because it's a smaller piece, but oh well. You can use this gadget. Look how well to clean it. And boom, there's your king crab right here. Ow, its spikes are sharp. Oh yeah, look at that. All the way, everything empty. Let me show it to you one more time, guys. You see how spiky that is? You can hold it like that. Oh yeah, do you hear that? And now we can open it. You know, this gadget helps a lot. Look at all these spikes. It would be into your skin. Now you don't have to worry about it. I can remove that crab. Ooh, look at that piece. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.